Hello kids. Kids, we will dress A, B, C, A to Z. Let's learn colors name: yellow, black, sky blue, pink, violet, purple, orange, light green, blue, green, brown, and red color. Red color. A for apple. B for ball. Blue color. C for cat. D for dog. Green color. E for eagle. F for fish. G for God. Brown. H for horse. I for ice cream. Purple color. J for jaguar. K for kangaroo. Violet color. L for lion. M for moon. N for nest. Black color. O for orange. P for parrot. Orange color. Q for queen. R for rabbit. Yellow color. S for spider. T for tiger. U for umbrella. Light green color. V for van. W for well. Sky blue color. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z,